Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now today is a little bit of a celebration because the channel has officially reached over 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube. And as such, and voted for by you guys on the community tab a few weeks ago, I am issuing the first Buckethead Props Build Challenge. There will be judging and prizes, so stick around to find out more. Let's go! Yes, I am very excited to be bringing you this very first inaugural Buckethead Props Build Challenge, and I think it's one that's been done before on a few other sites, but I'm very excited to be issuing it, and yes, there will be prizes at the end of this challenge. Now for the challenge, I want you guys to build a lightsaber. Now this is going to be a 20-pound lightsaber challenge. No, that's not the weight of the challenge. Pounds are in fact the currency where I live in the UK. So this is a 20-pound lightsaber challenge. Now to get the equivalent in your currency, if you don't live in the UK, it's very easy. Just go on Google and convert 20 pounds into your local currency, and that's your budget for this challenge. And I want this challenge to be very much in the spirit of the original Star Wars, so I want you guys to build a lightsaber out of found parts. The budget is £20, and I want you guys to go out and buy whatever you can for that budget and then build a fantastic lightsaber. Of course, I'm going to be getting in on this challenge too, and I'm really looking forward to building mine. I think every prop maker should build their own lightsaber at some point. I've never done one. So I thought it was a great opportunity for myself to do it in the bounds of this challenge and see what I can do for £20. Now, of course, I said there will be prizes, and yes, there will be a first, second and third prize as chosen by a select group of judges to be announced at a later date. Now, the first prize in this competition is a Black Series Stormtrooper helmet. Now, this is one I actually weathered up in a video a few years ago, but it's time to let it go, and this is going to be the first prize in the competition, so number one. Now the second prize is to help all you prospective Jedi, and that is the Jedi Path. This is a fantastic little book full of lots of knowledge about Jedi training, and that's your second prize. And for the third prize, you'll be engaging me as a photo editor. I will do some Photoshop on one of your pictures, adding some lightsabers or cool effects, which you can discuss with me, and we'll sort that out afterwards. Now I will ship these prizes anywhere in the world for free. That's right. I know, right? But do beware, if there's any import charges into your country, then you will be subject to pay those. Anyone can enter this competition. Anyone. If you are a minor in your country, i.e. under the age of 18, say in the UK, do get your parents' permission before you enter this challenge, as I will need to be able to contact you, and you know, obviously there will be charges and things if you have to pay import on the prizes. So just please get their permission before you enter. Now more importantly, how to enter the competition. Once you've built your lightsaber for £20 or under, you enter via Instagram. You will need a valid Instagram account to be able to enter, and you enter using the hashtag £20 Lightsaber Challenge. Simple. There will be specific rules on what you will be judged on, and you can see those in more detail on my Facebook page, website and on Instagram. There will be a post up there with all the rules and everything you need to know on how to enter the challenge. For the judging, you'll be judged on the aesthetic of your build, your use of materials and your photo, how creative the photo is that you submit with. Again, do go and read the details on any of my social media. It will explain how to enter your photo and what you need to upload. So that's it, I issue you this challenge. Go forth into the world and build a lightsaber for £20 or under, and I really look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. As I said, I will be doing this too, and I'm really looking forward to getting started on that. And of course, I will be uploading my video here soon, so you'll be able to see how I did mine. Finally, I just want to thank you guys for sticking around with the channel. It means a lot for you to support the channel, and we've got a really great community getting built here now, and I'm really glad that you guys just want to spend your time watching me fumble about on this channel making stuff. It really means a lot. So let's get going. Let's go and make some stuff, and of course I will see you in the next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.